All right, guys, it's your boy. I'm back with another video with the GO Ultra. Now, for vlogging, this is going to be my camera of choice, as you've already seen in my previous videos if you are following. I just personally like the angles, the wideness of the camera compared to the Nano. I got a chance to vlog with my friend's Nano and I absolutely don't like it. That is just, take that with a grain of salt. That is just my personal opinion. This, I just love the fact that you could just flip up and start vlogging and just, you could see yourself and there's nothing to detach and all that stuff. A beautiful thing that I love about this camera, sorry if I look a little darker, I love the fact that the face detection works so well. Like, you guys obviously probably can't see it, but like there's this box over my face that is following my every move. No matter where I put the camera, it's like literally following and tracking my face, which is super, super dope. As you can see, I'm on the DJI Mic 2s, and I love that while I'm on the screen right now talking to you, I could monitor my mic while I'm recording, which is really, really cool. Not monitor it, but I could see that it's actually going through to the camera, which is really dope. So I know the sun is all out right now, so the inconsistency of the lighting is really, really crazy. I have it in straight video mode right now, not pure video, and it is at 24 frames 4K. And I love this too because it could just go like this and I'm literally in portrait mode and then back to horizontal mode. So absolutely love that, guys. This camera is the camera that I have used the most since I've ever purchased any camera. Any camera that I've ever bought, this camera I've used the most. Now, what I love about this, I'm gonna go to an actual street sign over here and see if this mounts to metal. I've never done this before, so hopefully this works. So here is a metal street sign, and just like that. And now I can monitor myself right here, and I'm on the DJI GO 2 mics, so hopefully you can hear me properly. And as you can see, like, this is so sick, guys. Like, I've never owned a camera that I use so much in my life. And now that point with the DJI GO Nano, you could do the same thing. And I actually think this is better, to be honest with you. Like, I'm gonna take steps. So I know people say like feet and stuff. So I'm at the camera right here and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I don't know if it's still recording. It says it's recording, but I don't know if you guys could still see, like hear me. But I'm gonna get a little bit closer now and go back to it. But just wanted to show the fact that it can be mounted to a metal casing. And let me get back. And then just like that, boom, you're back in business. So hopefully I didn't get cut out there, but I'm gonna put it back in this case and we're back to business, guys. So yeah, just thought I'd point that out. Now, if you guys are on the fence about the GO Ultra or the DJI Nano, people have their reasons why they go Ultra. If you're a 360 fan, then obviously you go with the GO Ultra. If you have both like I do, you really, really gotta make sure you do your research and see what's gonna suit your lifestyle the best. And for me, it was the GO Ultra. So I hope, again, this makes more sense for you guys to go ahead and get the GO Ultra. If it helped you in any way, shape, or form, please make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Let's get it.